Looking for an all-inclusive getaway that promises luxury without the premium price tag? Excellence El Carmen in the Dominican Republic might just be the hidden gem you have been searching for. This adults-only resort sits in one of the Caribbean's most stunning locations, offering that perfect blend of relaxation and sophistication that makes you forget about your daily grind. Part of the Excellence Collection by Charisma Hotels and Resorts, this property has been quietly building a reputation among travelers who want upscale amenities without breaking the bank. The resort caters specifically to couples and adult groups looking for a refined atmosphere where they can unwind without worrying about kids running around the pool area. What sets Excellence El Carmen apart from other Dominican Republic resorts is its commitment to personalized service and attention to detail that you would typically expect from much more expensive properties. The staff genuinely seems to care about creating memorable experiences rather than just going through the motions of hospitality. When it comes to accommodations, Excellence El Carmen offers several room categories designed to suit different preferences and budgets. The standard rooms are surprisingly spacious, featuring modern furnishings with Caribbean-inspired touches that create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Each room comes equipped with air conditioning that actually works efficiently, which anyone who has stayed in tropical destinations knows is not always a given. The beds are comfortable with quality linens, and the bathrooms feature walk-in showers with decent water pressure. What guests particularly appreciate are the thoughtful amenities like mini fridges stocked daily, coffee makers with local Dominican coffee, and complimentary Wi-Fi that is reliable enough for video calls home. The suites take things up a notch with separate living areas, upgraded furnishings, and some even feature private terraces with stunning views of either the lush gardens or the sparkling Caribbean Sea. Many rooms offer beautiful ocean views that make waking up each morning feel like a small celebration. The housekeeping staff does an excellent job maintaining cleanliness standards, and turn-down service includes those little touches that make you feel pampered. Room service is available, though the selection is somewhat limited compared to larger resort chains. The dining scene at Excellence El Carmen deserves serious recognition for punching above its weight class. The main buffet restaurant offers an impressive variety that changes daily, featuring everything from traditional Dominican specialties to international favorites that will satisfy even picky eaters. The quality of food is consistently good, with fresh ingredients and proper preparation that avoids the dreaded resort food blandness that plagues many all-inclusive properties. There are several specialty restaurants on site, including an Italian venue that serves surprisingly authentic pasta dishes and wood-fired pizzas that rival what you might find in actual Italy. The Asian restaurant offers a fusion menu with dishes that blend traditional flavors with Caribbean influences, creating unique combinations that work better than they have any right to. The steakhouse provides high-quality cuts of meat cooked to order, though reservations are definitely recommended as it tends to fill up quickly. As for bars, the resort features multiple options ranging from the elegant lobby bar perfect for evening cocktails to the lively pool bar, where the bartenders know how to make a proper mojito. The beach bar offers stunning sunset views along with tropical drinks that are strong enough to help you forget about work emails. Premium liquors are available, and the bartenders are skilled at crafting both classic cocktails and creative house specialties. The service at restaurants can be a bit slow during peak dining hours, but the quality of food and friendly staff make the wait worthwhile. The pool area serves as the social heart of Excellence El Carmen, featuring multiple swimming options that cater to different moods and preferences. The main pool is large enough to accommodate plenty of guests without feeling overcrowded, with a swim-up bar that becomes the natural gathering spot for meeting fellow travelers and sharing vacation stories. The water temperature is perfectly maintained, and the pool deck offers ample space for lounging with comfortable chairs and umbrellas providing necessary shade during the intense midday Caribbean sun. There is also a quieter adults-only pool area for those seeking a more serene atmosphere away from the main hub of activity. The beach access is one of the resort's strongest selling points, with soft white sand and crystal-clear turquoise water that looks like something straight out of a postcard. Beach chairs and umbrellas are provided free of charge, and the beach staff does an excellent job keeping the area clean and well-maintained. The water is generally calm and perfect for swimming, though occasional seaweed can be an issue depending on the season and weather conditions. Water sports equipment is available for rent, including kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling gear, allowing guests to explore the beautiful coastline at their own pace. The beach bar serves refreshing drinks and light snacks throughout the day, so you never have to venture far from your perfect spot on the sand. Beach volleyball and other organized activities provide entertainment for those who want more than just lounging in the sun. Excellence El Carmen offers an impressive array of activities that ensure guests never run out of things to do during their stay. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio machines and free weights, plus it stays relatively cool thanks to excellent air conditioning and large windows that provide natural light and garden views. Tennis enthusiasts will appreciate the well-maintained court, though it can get quite hot during midday hours, so early morning or evening play is recommended. The resort organizes daily activities ranging from water aerobics and beach volleyball to dance lessons and trivia contests that provide opportunities to socialize with other guests. Evening entertainment typically includes live music, themed parties, and cultural shows that showcase local Dominican talent and traditions. The animation team is enthusiastic without being overly pushy, striking a good balance between engaging guests and respecting those who prefer a quieter vacation experience. For those interested in exploring beyond the resort, excursion options include catamaran trips, ziplining adventures, and cultural tours to nearby towns and historical sites. The resort's location provides easy access to various outdoor activities like horseback riding, ATV tours, and deep-sea fishing charters. Golf enthusiasts can arrange tee times at nearby courses, though transportation and green fees are additional costs. The resort also offers cooking classes where guests can learn to prepare traditional Dominican dishes, providing a fun cultural experience and useful skills to take home. The spa and wellness facilities at Excellence El Carmen provide a tranquil escape from the tropical heat and vacation excitement. The spa menu includes a comprehensive range of treatments from traditional massages to more specialized therapies incorporating local ingredients like coconut oil and tropical fruits. The treatment rooms are beautifully appointed with soothing decor and comfortable massage tables, creating an atmosphere that promotes relaxation from the moment you walk in. Couples massage sessions are particularly popular, offering a romantic experience in a private suite with garden views. The spa staff is professionally trained and skilled at customizing treatments to individual preferences and needs. Facial treatments use high-quality products and techniques that leave skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated despite the sun and saltwater exposure. The wellness program extends beyond the spa with daily yoga classes held on the beach during sunrise, providing a peaceful start to the day with the sound of waves and gentle ocean breezes. There is also a sauna and steam room available for guests who want to continue the relaxation experience. Meditation sessions are offered several times per week, guided by instructors who help both beginners and experienced practitioners find their center. The spa pricing is reasonable compared to similar facilities at other resorts, though treatments do book up quickly during peak season, so advanced reservations are highly recommended. Wellness packages combining multiple treatments are available at discounted rates, making it easier to indulge in comprehensive pampering sessions. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.